Is there anything that Jaideep Ahlawat cannot do? Well, no need to answer that cause it's a rhetorical question. After becoming one of the finest actors in the country, thanks to his performances in movies and web series like Patal Lok and An Action Hero, looks like he's now all set to become the best dancer in the country as well. It all started when his dance moves from the song Jadoo from his upcoming heist thriller Jewel Thief started going viral. Even though Saif Ali Khan, Kunal Kapoor and Nikita Datta too had featured in the song, it was Jaideep who wowed everyone with this hidden talent of his. We mean, who could have imagined Hathiram Chaudhary of all the people burning the dance floor like this? Needless to say, netizens were left speechless, with many praising this talented Munda, including his good friend actor Vijay Varma, who did a clever wordplay on his surname while praising him. However, some people wondered whether Ahlawat was truly dancing or had the clip been created using AI. And in order to clear the air, Jaideep himself addressed the speculations. During the trailer launch event of the film on Monday night, Jaideep said since he was from Haryana, he had been a part of a lot of wedding processions and that's where his dancing skills came from.
बट जैसे हम दिन में बात कर रहे थे सर सैफ सर कर रहे थे, पता नहीं लोगों को ऐसा क्यों सरप्राइज लगता है कोई नाच सकता है, विच वॉज नॉट आई मीन जो लोग मुझे बचपन से जाते हैं, मैं अपना बैकग्राउंड हरियाणा है, बहुत घुड़चुड़ियों में नाचा हूँ मैं, तो डांसिंग इज
जयदीप सर एक बात बताऊं
इज ओके.
Shaking a leg to the song during the trailer launch, he also thanked choreographers Shazia Samji and Piyush Bhagat for teaching him the now viral steps, before playfully concluding that maybe, just maybe, the clip had indeed been created using AI. अब देखिए AI का तो पता नहीं, but Jaideep's moves are reminiscent of Vicky Kaushal's Tauba Tauba moment when he too had pleasantly shocked everyone with his impeccable dance moves. And with Jaideep playing the antagonist in Siddharth Anand's Jewel Thief, this vibe of his has already caught everyone's attention. What about you? Are you excited to see Jaideep Ahlawat in this never-before-seen avatar? Do let us know in the comments and make sure to subscribe to Shosha for your daily dose of entertainment.